Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday appealed for unity to resolve prevailing geopolitical tensions. He made the remarks at the G20 foreign ministers meeting held in the Indian capital of New Delhi from Wednesday to Thursday.
You are meeting at a time of deep global divisions. As foreign minister, it is but natural that your discussions are affected by the geopolitical tensions of the day. We all have our positions and our perspectives on how this tension should be resolved.
As the chair of the meeting, Indian External Affairs Minister Subramanyam Jaishankar also emphasized the importance of multilateralism.
Colleagues, as we look ahead, there are both pressing and more systemic challenges that we all confront. The future of multilateralism depends very much on our ability to strengthen it in a changing world. Food and energy security are immediate anxieties magnified by recent events. But they do have long-term repercussions and solutions. And development cooperation is part of that larger solution that we are deliberating upon today.